everyone! Today we're making high-protein blue cheese and pear pizza. This entire pizza has only about 400 calories and packs 45 grams of protein, so feel free to enjoy it all by yourself and still keep burning fat. Honestly, that's exactly what I did when I was, getting back into shape after my pregnancy. I just loved seeing my friends' reactions when I eat the entire pizza all just by myself and after all still being able to lose any fat and build muscle. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to work with your cottage cheese, so all of your cottage cheese recipes will turn out greatly. No one would ever guess that it has any of cottage cheese in it. And if you're eager to start cooking your pizza, you can just jump straight into the cooking process, pressing time code in the description under this video. So here's the cottage cheese that I would normally use for any of my recipes, and it's so trendy on YouTube to say, you often ask me in the comments. So, well, maybe not that often, but you ask me in the comments, how come is that your cottage cheese is so creamy, so smooth? Is this the secret that your cottage cheese recipes are turning out so great? In my country, we have so many types of cottage cheese, and this one I love because it's super creamy, it's super neutral, no saltiness, no sourness, it's just perfectly balanced for all of my recipes. I went to the local international store to find something that will be closest to the one that's available in your region. Please let me know in the comments if this one's similar. I really hope so, because it costs twice as much as the local stuff here, but all for you guys. So now I'm going to show you how to turn your grainy and salty cottage cheese into the same creamy and neutral cottage cheese that I have here and I use in all of my recipes. So for the recipe we need 100 grams of cottage cheese. If your cottage cheese comes with liquid, use 130 grams of it and we will drain the liquid after all. So place this cottage cheese in your food processor or blender cup and add 2 tablespoons of fat-free Greek yogurt. It's something about 30 grams. The yogurt will make your cottage cheese creamier and neutralize the saltiness. Blend everything together in a food processor to get smooth and very soft cream. However, for baking we need the cottage cheese to be a bit drier so it holds its shape and doesn't spread out, and requires less flour, which is also great in terms of calories. So let's transfer this cottage cheese cream into a few layers of cheesecloths. I just used 2 bags folded into several layers so the cheese doesn't seep through the holes. Hang it somewhere to drain overnight, but I never have time or patience for that. I simply just twist the cloth to create some pressure and gently squeeze out extra whey with my hands, and it takes me something like 2 minutes. By the way, you can use the leftover whey to make excellent pancakes. If you need the recipe, please let me know. Keep in mind that if the cottage cheese starts seeping through the holes, add just another layer of cloth. In the end, we should have about 100-150 grams of cottage cheese, depending on the moisture that's already in your cottage cheese. And now let's compare. Here is my very creamy store-bought cottage cheese that I just drained excess liquid from, and here's the cottage cheese that you started with, which was very grainy, very salty, and now they're just identical. So let's get to the pizza dough. To the bowl with 100 grams of our soft cottage cheese, let's add 1 egg and 25 grams of any flour of your choice. Mix everything together with a spatula and finally add half a teaspoon of baking powder. So let's compare. On the left side the dough made from your grainy cottage cheese, and on the right side the dough made from my creamy one. Now they are identical. Now spread the dough on a parchment paper or a silicone mat to your desired thickness and diameter. I aim for a thickness about maybe less than 1 centimeter. Then bake it in a preheated oven for 180 degrees Celsius, it's 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out our pizza base and spread 30 grams of Greek yogurt on top. Sprinkle with low-calorie mozzarella. I'm using 50 grams because I love cheese, but you can use less to save some calories. Then place sliced pear on top and add 15 grams of blue cheese. Go for one with a mild aroma, not too intense. Turn it to the oven for another 10 minutes and voila! your pizza is ready! And unlike any delivery pizza, it stores wonderfully in your fridge and preheats greatly, making it a great meal prep for all of your working week evening snacks. This little slice of pizza has only 50 calories and 5 grams of protein, but who's gonna count slices? Guys, eat the entire pizza and make some more. It's a brilliant recipe for your working week. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to see more macro-friendly, low-calorie and high-protein recipes from the common ingredients. All of them in a lean foodie style. And I have tons of recipes with cottage cheese, don't forget to check them as well. Now you know how to properly prep your own cottage cheese, so all of them will come out deliciously. See you!